The Lo Pro Premium Roll-Up Truck Bed Cover can be installed in less than 20 minutes using only a 1/2-inch wrench and a pair of scissors. The cover comes in a single box. The components consist of 6 clamps, 2 side rails, a cover assembly, the owner's manual, and may include a bulkhead seal. The retainer straps are wrapped around the header guides for shipping. Take them off before installing. The driver's side rail can be identified by the single trigger latch. Starting with the passenger side rail, position the passenger side rail against the truck bed rail. Push it forward toward the cab. To install the clamps, start with the middle. Push the clamp as high as possible on the bed rail flange. Finger tighten it first to make sure the teeth of the clamp engage with the grooves on the side rail. Next, finger tighten one at the bulkhead and a third near the tailgate. Once satisfied with the placement of all 3 clamps, tighten the bolt with the 1/2-inch socket while holding the clamp firmly in one hand to keep the clamp from slipping or spinning. Repeat the steps for the driver's side rail. Check that the side rails remain level with the truck bed caps. Reposition the clamp or side rail if necessary to ensure it's level. If your truck bed requires a bulkhead seal, cut it to length and install on top of the bulkhead. Set the cover assembly behind the cab. The front header of the cover assembly sits in the space at the end of the side rail, just in front of the tension control brackets. Ensure the front header seal sits on top of the bulkhead. Then simply slide the header guides into the locked position. You should hear a click. Push the hook strip in the side rail toward the cab before setting the cover onto it. Unhook the retainer straps and unroll the cover all the way to the back of the tailgate and firmly close the cover in order to latch it. The industrial-grade hook and loop system will seal the cover to the side rails. The patented automatic tension control ensures the cover stays tight and smooth so it looks good in all temperatures and weather conditions. To drive with the cover fully open, just pull the anodized single trigger latch to release the cover, then simply roll the cover to the front of the truck bed and secure with the retainer straps. This allows you unrestricted access to your truck bed.